Today, I'm going to show you step by step how you can add emojis to your emails in Flodesk. You can use emojis in your emails and also in subject lines as well. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that. Is open an email. I personally like to duplicate my emails and then just work off previous ones, but you can do a full new email if you want, or use a template, different things like that. But I'm just going to duplicate an email because that's what works best for me. So I'm going to duplicate this email and then I'm just going to do test video, because I have ADHD and I may forget that I did this. Okay, so here we are in Flodesk. Now, what we're going to do is I always have this tab up. It's called emojicopy.com. It's totally free. And as you can see here, they have almost all of the emojis that you can think of. I have come across a couple times where they don't have one that I need, but that is very, very rare. So what we're going to do is we're going to find a emoji that we want, and then we're just going to click on it. It's going to pop up here, and then we're going to hit copy. Now it's copied to our computer. Then we are going to put where we want it, and then we can, so if I want to do it here, then I can just paste it. So I personally just do, I have a Mac, so I do Command V, or if you have a PC computer, you can do Control V to paste it. So that is how we do that. And we can, as you can see, I did them here as well. Now let's do a couple more. So say we want to do this excited face, then we're going to click it, and it comes up here, and hit copied. And then we are going to add it there. Now you can also do it in the subject as well. So I like to do that. So I'm going to go here, and I already have one here. So let's take this out, and you can also search. So I like to search money, and then this comes up here. This is the one that I like, and then I'll hit copied, and then I can just paste it. And I like to put a space in between my letter and the emoji, but that is how you add emojis to your emails and your subject line in Flodesk. Now, if you want to see how to customize a email template, whether that's a template inside of Flodesk or one that someone creates, I have free templates that I'll have linked down below in the description that are free welcome email template for someone coming onto your welcome sequence, or a weekly newsletter template if you want to make your weekly newsletter so fast. I personally do mine in under 30 minutes a week. I'll have those templates linked down below in the description box for you. Check them out and check out this video here.